Veilside. As some of you know, my channel is all about MR2 stuff, some personal stuff. So like and subscribe if you like my content. My other project was the 2cc swap, which has kind of been completed. So now is the next challenge. I always kind of liked the body of the MR2, but something was missing, and I found my solution. So the next few videos is about my solution for how the car looks and how to make it look even nicer. So I got myself a body kit. Most people put the TRD body kit on, or they find something else. However, I decided that it wasn't worth getting lips and side skirts without actually extending or making the car look completely different. So this is my first video out of view, and I'm going to show you what I decided to do. For the people that follow me on Facebook, both personal and Roadster Alex, but for the rest, just going to show you what it is and how it looks like, how it goes with the installation and all the rest of the stuff. So here is my body kit. My rear end for the doors. That's my rear bumper. There is my front bumper. It's in my spare room here, so it's a lot of shit. There you can see my dashboard, well, the mold actually. The front arches or fenders, whatever you call them, they are already downstairs, so I will show them later. So this is the body kit as it came. This is actually like heavy. I think the rear bumper also like 50 kilos. So I don't know how heavy that is. Like it's clearly 10 times the weight as my original bumper, which is a bad thing. If you want to have it all nice and light. However, it's way more stable. I don't have the feeling I will break this very easily. Even though it's fiberglass, I don't feel like this is going to break. You can see the inside is like proper. So let me show you the rest. So to remove those fenders here, normally there's a bolt, and over there is one, and underneath is two, and then the last one is really hard to get. It's there. So get yourself an extension socket and start wrenching. So this is the first time I actually have it off. This is what you get if you don't take care of your car. I guess the previous owner never took all the stuff off, so it's all dirty. So to remove those quarter panels, well, I didn't fully connect my soft top last time we replaced it. However, there's one there, one there, one there, and there's another one somewhere. No, it's three actually, and the last one is there. So because my soft top wasn't connected like properly, I could just wiggle around this. But if your soft top is connected, it might be a bit harder to get them off. Then those I broke. It's absolutely horrible. I'm not putting those back or anything like it. So otherwise there, and then about 4 under there, and then of course those two in the back. So here's the car after trying to get the panel off. As you can see, it's not too bad. Destroyed a few things though, like the antenna I couldn't get off, so that's why it's laying there. But other than that, it isn't too bad to do, just horrible. So here's one side test fitted. As you can see, there's a gap over there, so it's not perfect. You can see there's a gap there. The door is closed, I think. Not closed. That doesn't look too bad. This side, as you can see, isn't too bad either. The holes line up there. This bit was a bit of a challenge, but it could be because of how I bought the car. It was bad condition, but I got the bolts in. Well, I haven't in. So the next part is going to be removing this side and see how that goes.